My name is Hirak Ganguly. I am from B.Tech CSE-AI department. Recently, I participated in a district level model exhibition competition which is held in Konnagar, and I secured second position among 14 colleges. My project name is Smart LPG Gas Leakage Detection and Prevention. I named it as an IntelliRegulator. Now, coming to my model, that nowadays, due to the advancement of technology, whenever LPG gas detected in our house or any industry, it gives us alert. But in my innovation, I innovated a solution that whenever the LPG gas will be detected, then the intelligent regulator will detect and it will automatically cut out all the power supply of that house, and it will send us a message, alert message that LPG gas detected. Then I made an app where by opening that app, people can off the regulator. Now I am coming to my demonstration. Now in their home, in kitchen, someone is cooking, but there is power supply. Whenever any LPG gas is detected, it will suddenly give us an alert and it will power cut the whole power supply. The power cut is done and it is giving us an alert, and there is an exhaust fan which is reducing all the harmful gases present at that kitchen. At that time, I made an mobile application which I named as a Gas Guard Suvidha. Just you have to first log in to that app using the username and a password. Then a login page dashboard will open. Then there are many features of my app. First of all, whenever he will get an alert about the LPG gas level detected in his mobile phone, then he open this app and go to the regulator control option, and he off that regulator. The regulator is automatically off. Second, my features of my app is nowadays we know that reducing carbon it tells upon to the environment. So there is a calculate carbon footprint option where going there. We generally uses 14 kgs of LPG gas cylinder. Just he can put the 14 kg LPG value. The app will give a suggestion how he can reduce carbons, and the app is suggesting us that your carbon footprint for using 14 kg LPG is approximately 41.44 kg, and it gives us a suggestion that to reduce the carbon footprint, consider using energy efficient appliance. Next, my features is predict refill date. What is the advantage of predict refill date? The app will give us suggestions when we have to book the LPG gas cylinder. Here, I just put the last date of refill date is 23, and average LPG is 14, and predicted refill date. The app is giving us that the refill date is 23 in February. This is my app.